I just boiled a kettle, and right over here, I just boiled my kettle. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what you can do at home in your kitchen. Anyway, if you wake up early in the morning before, you eat your breakfast, or before you do any exercise, or before you, brush your teeth, or before you do anything in the morning, can you please do this one? All right. This is a recipe which I want to share with you. I want to say that apple cider vinegar been drinking over the last, 2,000 years, or no, more than 2,000 years, probably about 50, 60 years, 60 years or something like that. I'll need to do some more research on it. But the apple cider vinegar been using for many years. And not only that, with the apple cider vinegar, we all know that apple cider vinegar coming from apple, from a portion of an apple, then squeeze it, get away the sweetness, and use the rest to make apple cider vinegar. All right. Secondly, coconut oil is very, very good for our skin, especially if you have dry skin, or if you have certain kind of, I would say mostly dry skin. All right. It's very good for your hair and all these things. But to cut the story short, what I want to share with you today, I want you guys to do this at home. Go and get yourself a jar of coconut, organic coconut right here. As I see, 100% organic coconut. Go and get it, and get yourself some apple cider vinegar. These two ingredients were magic at home. All right. So every time when you go to the shower, get yourself together and all these things, get yourself some coconut oil. I want you to do this for at least 5 days. 5 days only. Just do it for 5 days. If it doesn't work for you, it may work for someone else, as I always say in my video. Now, get yourself a coconut oil, 100% organic. As I said, the organic one is much better. Right here, as you can see, that is the organic one. All right. Apple cider vinegar, you can get it. It's all local. You can get it. Get the one that said mother, because that's the right original one. Don't go and try and get the copyright one. That's not going to work for you. Second thing, what I want you to do, if you got a smartphone, or if you have an internet or Google or whatever you have at home, please do some research on apple cider vinegar at home and the coconut oil right here. All right. Now, so if you wake up in the morning, as I said before, please do this. All right. You can also simple, brush before you brush your teeth and do certain things in the morning. This is what I want you to do. Boil the kettle. All right. You can do it before you go to your bed at night. You can do this one. All right. God, this is a recipe for you. It's also good in weight loss, and also good in detoxing, and also good to purify the blood and kill sweetness from going inside of your blood. All right, at home. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a scientist, but I'm telling you, if you can do your own little research at home and see natural ingredients and natural remedy, which is very good for you. And all I want you to do is just do this for 5 morning. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you give the apple cider vinegar a good shake, because it's settled and you need to shake the apple cider vinegar. Secondly, all you need to do is get a teaspoon. All right, this is a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. Teaspoon is a small one for tea at home. All right, and all you're going to do is put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into the hot water like this, and all you're going to do is drink it right there. If you like to, what you can also do, you can get yourself a lemon or a lime, and also just simple squeeze about half of the lime. So half of the lime right now here, let's measure it out to show you. We'll be working out to probably about a teaspoon. Yeah, nice one. Teaspoon of lime juice, or if you got lemon, please use so. All right. Now, I like to just simple do this at home. All right, just get 2 slices and put it straight inside of the cup where you're going to be using. All right, I love to do that. And then the lime will just float up on top and dissolve into the hot water. But just a simple little recipes and ideas And you know what I mean, as I said, it's very good for weight loss and also detoxing and also cleansing of the body, and you know what I mean, clear out your immune system and make it look fresh and young and nice. You have to look after yourself. Do not use any honey or no sugar or no sweetener into it. Try and drink it natural and authentic like this way. This is organic way, all right? And that's what you want to do. You want to do the organic way, all right? Then after you have your shower before you go to your work, try and use a lot of the coconut oil, because the coconut oil is very good for your skin. All right, so try and do that at home, guys, and do it for 5 days, 1 in the morning and 1 at night before you go to your bed. All right, on an empty stomach. It's better for you to drink this on an empty stomach because it works 100% perfect. All right, now if you like the recipe, as I said before, please leave your comments in the description box. And as my name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the most beautiful and fantastic recipe in this whole entire world. All right, now as you can see right here, this is just a tips from Chef Ricardo. And as I say, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a scientist, but if you do yourself some research at home, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, let's try for 5 morning, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and if not, you can give it another 2 more days and see if it, as I said before, it doesn't work for you, it may work for someone else at home. All right, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the most beautiful recipes in this whole entire, and I will definitely see you in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.